Hello, it is me again, Mr. Monkey, and I am here to tell you that I have come up with an evil plan. It is genius to take over the world. Yes, an evil plan to take over the world. Yes, all the details have not been worked out yet, but it is genius. Yes, yes, it has something to do with, what was it again, Brain? I'm sorry, Brain does not talk. Yes, yes, at least naturally you can hear him. Yes, yes, but he is my partner on this plan, and this plan involves laughing, lots and lots of laughing. Yes, I will rule the world, but first, on the first step, is to make people laugh. Okay, that is it for now. Hopefully I can start releasing new, more faster videos. Thank you, and please subscribe, and tell your friends to subscribe to Mr. Monkey. That's Mr. Monkey 4659. Yes, it's on YouTube, and I will hope to have a Facebook page pretty soon. Thank you. Goodbye.